What's up, guys? Mike here again with Cashback Realty. And for those of you who may have missed this story, Opendoor is an iBuyer, right? Or an instant buyer, they call them. They approach buyers who may or may not want to sell their homes quickly and tell them that, listen, we're going to give you a cash offer and close in 4 days, 3 days, 7 days, whatever. Basically, what makes it attractive is that they're going to buy your home quickly, all cash, right? And listen, to be fair, some buyers may want that. They want the convenience of selling their home quickly. However, this all stems from Opendoor misleading some of their clients into thinking that they would actually earn the same amount of profit or make the same amount of money if they sold their properties to them as opposed to putting it out on the open market. Guys, I'm gonna put a link right up here to the video I did about Zillow's meltdown last year when they tried to enter the wholesale / fix and flip sector of the real estate industry. It didn't work out very well for them. Take a look at this video so you can get some context.
Now to another top story here at 7 o'clock. Opendoor agreeing to pay a $62 million penalty to settle allegations of misleading potential home sellers.
Yeah, the Federal Trade Commission says the Tempe-based online real estate business tricked sellers into thinking that they could make more selling their homes to Opendoor rather than a traditional buyer. On your side, Susan here is to break it all down. That's a big number.
Yeah. It's a very big number, and sellers will get some of that money out of the deal. So Opendoor telling us in a statement they strongly disagree with the FTC's allegations. Still, the company says it's settling to move on. Opendoor promises a quick, easy sale. No showings, no lengthy negotiations. Sellers would get a breakdown like this, and it almost always showed they'd make more money selling to Opendoor. But if you sold your home to the iBuyer, you may have left money on the table. The Federal Trade Commission says the vast majority of consumers who sold to Opendoor lost thousands compared to what they would have realized in net proceeds from selling on the open market because Opendoor's offers have been below market value on average, and its costs have been significantly higher than what consumers typically pay. And the company knew it. The FTC says the iBuyer's own internal analyses showed that consumers lost money selling to Opendoor. Now the FTC and Opendoor have reached a $62 million settlement to resolve a slew of allegations about misleading potential sellers, requiring costly repairs that sellers wouldn't have had to make in a traditional sale, and undervaluing homes.
And as a seller, if you're looking to sell a property, keep in mind that if someone approaches you and says, listen, I'm gonna close, within a short period of time, I'm gonna make an all cash offer. This is 99.9% of the time a wholesaler, right? Someone who is in the business of making a profit. And like I said, this isn't to knock or denigrate that part of the industry. Listen, I've bought properties at wholesale before, but where Opendoor got into trouble is that they were misleading customers, sellers, into thinking that they would actually earn the same amount of money as if they sold the property out on the retail market, and that is simply not the case, especially in this market, right? Like, we're in a seller's market now. It's starting to cool down a little bit, but if you get approached by any one of these companies with an offer to sell your house, cash offer, will close within a week, more than likely they're gonna offer you a wholesale price for the home.
Opendoor didn't want to do an interview with us, but they sent us a statement defending their company's model and saying, importantly, the allegations raised by the FTC are related to activity that occurred between 2017 and 2019 and target marketing messages the company modified years ago. We are pleased to put this matter behind us and look forward to continuing to provide consumers with a modern real estate experience. The Federal Trade Commission says it still hasn't determined how that $62 million will be distributed. The FTC also wouldn't say if they are investigating any other iBuyers.
One of the most interesting parts of that news report to me is the fact that the FTC would not disclose whether or not they're investigating other iBuyers, right? I'm willing to bet that they are. If you're enjoying this content, folks, like, share, and subscribe so the YouTube algorithm can get it out to more people. I really appreciate it. You can take a look at their stock prices and you see that on the day, they haven't been doing so well, right? They started off the day right around, 614, they're at, 598 now. If we do a 1 month view, you see that they're hovering between, $5 and $6. But if you go a year out, you'll see that this stock was around $15 a share, right? So, and now they're down here to about $6 a share, right? Back in October of last year, they were at $24 a share. And listen, that could be a function of just what the real estate market's been doing, right? A lot of people don't need to sell their homes through, some of these wholesalers. A lot of people can sell their homes retail with, the real estate market's been crazy. It's a seller's market, like I've been saying, but a lot of people haven't been utilizing some of these companies. And also, they may have taken a hit with this news that came out that they were getting, fined by the FTC, or they came to a settlement agreement with the FTC. So call me biased on this one, guys, because I am a real estate broker, but I believe in every instance when it comes to doing a real estate transaction, whether you're buying or selling, work with a professional real estate broker who can give you guidance, even if it's just to talk to someone before you make the move. Call us up. I'll do a BPO for free. Right? A broker's price opinion on what your property is worth, so you have the information before you make whatever decision you want to make. I appreciate you watching. If you found this content valuable, if it gave you some insight, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.